All right, back we go. It is Sunday, March 27th, going over IPO stock March Madness. A lot of these new IPOs. Check it out. Futures right now, Dow's down 31, S&P minus 3.75, NASDAQ minus 10, Russell minus 280, VIX is 23.75, oil's 110, and that's where we stand on that. So let's take a look on PIC. Kid Pick Corp. This came about in November 2021. This one is high as 1049. On the volume in this is very light volume, 100, 200,000. Back and forth, your 8 level did fall to 466. This candle went as low as 430 for a bounce. So the 8 line looks like a lot of resistance up there. And then this fell like a rock right here on this candle. Big hammer down candle. They tried to push it up, really turned into almost like a shooting star, and it came back down. And there's your 20 EMA over 13 EMA. This was dropped like a rock since February to March. But right here, you have one thing that happened. This low 154, this low 152, this low 151, this low 156. So you had a double bottom right here and here. And it came pretty much to that 150 line. So after you see it move up the high of, here, you had a high of about 1050 right there, and you're at 150. That's a good risk reward to get in low. Buy low, sell high. Simplicity. Now, when it went down here, the volume still wasn't great. Then you had this candle right here, 452, 452,000 was a little better. Now, on these, I like to take a shot oversold. See this oversold? And it keeps going down. But see this here, it made a slight little move, but this was still high up, near the original price there, 10, 8. And then it keeps going down. It didn't really have a sideways move. This did move sideways here and then came back that little reverse U shape right here, like an umbrella. And that's where you see the double bottom, little subtle move. That's a good shot to get in there, that 150. It's good support. You don't think it's going to do that. I thought it eventually could go up. But that's a good risk reward. You see this, and then it popped up. Did the 7 level, came back down, found support. Look at that, touched that 13 EMA, bounced right up. And look at the days. These are the up days, the volume up. The volume on the down days, like nothing. That's a good sign they're pushing the stock. Now, where can we go here? Let's look at the weekly. You see this big move down. Look at this waterfall down. And weekly is even better. When you see this, all these red candles, except for that, that's a cross, a reversal at the bottom of a pattern. And then we move up. It's moving up on stochastics, which is bullish. Monthly doesn't show much. All right, so that's good support here at that 4 level. Now, can we get above back to the 7, 8 level? Maybe back to 1050. That's possible. Look for them levels right in here. You got your 61.8, 50% retracement level. So anywhere above 550 to, 8. Well, expected to go more than 550. It's right almost there, 525. And right now, that support is right there. That 13 EMA is riding up that 4 level. So it's looking very interesting, this chart. 32.52, 32.5, 2 million volume, 32.52 million market cap. Insider zone, 26.20%. Institutions, 9.9%. 5.55 million float. It's a very low float. What else we got here? Announced fourth quarter fiscal results, March 24th. Their subscription-based e-commerce company that sells girls and boys apparel, footwear, accessories, tops, bottoms, cardigans, jackets, etc. Incorporated 2015, New York, New York. So it's a low float. Very interesting here. Made that big move down, then it popped right back up. And looks like it's ready to cross over right there. So, the long bias side here is looking pretty good to get above back to, 6 to 8 level here. We'll see what happens if they push this with a low float. any other good news would really push this. And the weekly's looking good. So not much data to go on, but excuse me, when you get these runs down like this, like sort of bottom washout, great risk reward. And that's where you want to get in, especially on swing trades. You want to get in right at that low level. If it keeps going, then you get out. You won't lose much. That's why the risk reward is so good. You have your stops and get back in. And that's what happened. Look at it popped. And there you have it. So PIK, big move. Let's look at the 5 minute on that. Straight up move here. You have red candles, then there it goes. 425, 450. Broke right there on morning. What was the morning about? 435 pre-market. And then it took off. And sometimes stocks look up slowly. This is a straight up rocket. So do you have 10 to 10:40, 40 minutes went straight up. Then it came back, bounced around. So that's what happened on PIK. So take a look at that on PIK. Big bullish move from the 150 double bottom. And that's it. All right, please subscribe to my King of Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Check out links below. Social media if you want to connect. And leave any comments if you're in PIK or you traded or any information. Your thoughts on the stock is always good. And that's it. We're out for now. Peace.